Gold and silver yesterday continued the upward move. Specifically, silver has shown a very strong rally, but now we can see that it is struggling to break beyond 28.8 $29 levels, while gold has also rallied alongside with silver, where we have seen gold dropping towards 23, 24, 25 levels and have recovered strongly towards 23.90. So what to expect today? Can we expect this rally to continue today as well, or there is a possible reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first with look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Let's start first on the early charts. If you look at the early charts, see, yesterday we have seen that this is the support zone which is getting created, 2320. It is not willing to break below 2320. Next is lower highs, and if you draw a parallel, lower lows. So how high it can rise? We can look forward to 2410 levels, and if gold is seen trading beyond 2420, you can say there is going to be exceptional bullishness, taking it till towards 2435, 2440. But what I am looking forward to see, lower lows, so lower highs, and probability of 2410 levels are high, and only if it stays beyond 2410, 2420 zone, you can say gold is turning bullish. Now see what has happened on the early charts. It is consolidated, seen a rise, consolidating again with the support at 2380. It is trying to rise again. Yes, if you see it is staying above 2390 levels, you can initiate a buying entry. We can look forward to 2400 levels, and then we can look forward to 2410 levels as the next targets. If you look at the moving averages, these are crossing over here, signs of bullishness here. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit, while MACD is still looking upwards, continue to diverge, continue to stay bullish. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, if you look at 2 hour chart, similar observations. The 2380 has become a very good support. Now also one must observe lower lows, lower highs are done, but see the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are situated at around 2370, 2368 zone. Thus this is going to be the support zone which it needs to break in order to suggest slight bearishness. Remember, it can achieve the highs and reverse from there. That is one possibility we should not ignore. If not today, possibly tomorrow, yes, achieving the highs at 2410, we can see gold reversing again. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD. Yes, it is divergent, looking upwards, staying bullish, and it suggests that it is still lot much of room on the upside for gold. RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, we have seen gold coming off from the highs. Prices are too much divergent from the 20 period. It has taken the support from the 20 and 50 period moving average, and now resuming its upward move. Possibly again I am saying 2410 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm the bullishness. Now see, bullish candle after consolidation, one is stronger candle, retracement, and now trying to resume the upward move. So possibly gold might try to stay bullish. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here, while look at MACD, yielded lot much of waves here, and this wave has just crossed over and it is still divergent. It suggests that there could be further bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, bit of consolidation and trying to break out beyond 2390 levels. We can look forward to a further rise towards 2400 and 2410 levels. And on the 4 hour charts, likewise we are observing higher lows. So once it stays beyond 2390, 2392 zone, we can look forward to 2400 and 2420 levels. Possibility exists that we can expect it to continue with the bullish momentum for a little while before it looks forward to any reversal here. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. Look at MACD, this crossing over here again, and it is trading with slight divergence. We may see it rising a bit. Yesterday also we have seen that I have mentioned that there is a possible retracement and achieving the lows, prices have reversed. Remember, it has formed now a very strong base here, and if you look at the recent movement with the strong base, we have also always seen gold achieving highs here. So beyond 2410 and 2420 levels, remember, sky is the limit for gold. Here we can look forward to 2450 as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD is here crossing over, RSI flat. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. In this mentorship batch, the 30th batch started yesterday only, and in 31st batch and all my mentorship batches, we focus on sharing all the key concepts, tools, techniques, and strategies which we have developed with our years of experience, with the help of which you can not only identify the profitable trades but the trends, and also you can trade profitably. So just register for it, reach out to me for details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. And many of you had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, where the transactions and withdrawals are easier, which is available across globe and which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the spreads on offer. Do not miss this. Why to waste your money on paying higher fees to the brokers? Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts yesterday, what we have seen, if you look at these two candles, this appears identically symmetrical to me. One having the push from the downside, upside, and one having the support and a bounce back from the downside. So this appears identically symmetrical, and if you look at the formation, what we are looking forward to is this formation, where the highs in fact are now at 2410, 2420 levels. Now see, whenever we see a downward push, it appears that it may try to break out. So first thing is, if you see gold staying above 2390, 92 zone, we can initiate a buying entry. We can look forward to 2400, 2410, and then 2420 levels, 3 milestones. If gold breaks out beyond 2420, remember the next target is towards 2436 levels, beyond which sky is the limit for gold. We can look forward to 2450 levels as well. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2378, 2380 levels. Yes, if you see the price is below 2378 and 80, you can take a selling entry. We can look forward to 2370 levels as the next targets, and below 2370 is where we can see a bearish move towards 2362, 2348, and lower levels. 2340 is something you can watch out for. Possibility exists that we may see a slight retracement on the upside today, and it may continue with the momentum it is carried from yesterday. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, you can see it is taking support from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands, making 2860 as a very good support. With that as support, it is trying to rise. $29 levels indeed is a greater resistance here. So if you see silver trading about $29 levels, also one must look at, see, if you connect the highs here, you will find silver is delivering higher highs. So now this is the zone between 29, 29.20, which is going to be a greater resistance zone for silver. Also, if you notice, see the drop here, this is under retracement. Now after the retracement, a possible fall is what we can expect, but today possibly may not be the day where we are going to look at this. It can continue to trade upwards. We can look forward to 29.20, 29.60 levels as well. Yes, it is taking a very good support from 28.60 as of now. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, trying to converge, RSI is rising. Coming to 2-hour, similar observation on the 2-hour charts as well. Rise, retracement, taking the support, trying to bounce back, and thus 28.60 levels is something you should watch out for. On the upside, beyond 29 is where we can look forward to a rise towards 29, 20, 29.25 levels, and then 29.50, 29.60 levels are also possible. However, on the downside, one must not forget, if it breaks below 28.60-40 zone, there could be equally sharp bearishness, because see, the drop here, the retracement, and once it comes out of this retracement zone, it is going to deliver a stronger drop. The stochastic has dropped here, the MACD is in green, trying to continue with the slight bullish movement here. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, taking the support here, trying to rise a bit, but lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for it to break on the upside in order to confirm the reversal or the rally on the upside. Stochastic overbought, trying to pull down. Look at MACD, it is crossed over here, trying to trade with slight bullishness. RSI staying flat. On the 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts here, higher lows, higher highs. Wait for a breakout. Anything beyond 28.60, 28.40, certainly you can stay short on the downside. Stochastic overbought, MACD is trying to converge, crossover for buys. Remember, it has not yet crossed over, but if you look at the rise, the retracement, and a crossover here may bring another round of stronger bullish momentum. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily. Now on the daily chart, see, look at the preceding few candles. this, look at this candle, there was a stronger push from the upside. Now forming higher lows, we can see it recovering and now getting resistance at the higher levels. So if you see silver staying beyond 29-29-20 zone, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to another round of rise towards 29-40 and 29-60 levels. I'll be looking forward to 29.60 if it continues to stay beyond $29 levels. Certainly more bullish momentum may prevail, but one must notice it is trading in this channel, and a breakout out of this channel, which means 29.20, 20 level certainly should be breached, because it is going to be a good resistance, and once it breaks beyond this, we can say now silver is turning bullish and we can look forward to in fact 29.60 levels as well. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green. It is continuing to trade bullish. It is continuing its upward move. RSI is overbought. So though it is overbought, though the silver and gold both are trading overbought, but I see that possibly today may not be the day where it is going to crash. It is going to do so very soon, but possibly today may not be the day. So we have to be trading with caution. And thus, if you see silver trading about $29 levels, you can initiate a buying. Wait for it to break beyond 29.20, 29.50, 60 zone. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to $30. And on the downside, if you see silver is staying below 28.60, you can take a selling end. Wait for it to break below 28.40, and if 28.40 is taken, you can say now the prices are reversing and we can look forward to $28 levels. Again, 28, 28.20 is the zone which I will be looking forward to. If it stays below 28.60, more bearishness is going to prevail here. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates as well. Do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.